Okay, hi and welcome to another awesome guitar lesson with Ben Golding Guitar for super easy guitar lessons. Okay, today we're having a look at the absolute classic Bob Marley tune, the wonderful I Shot the Sheriff, also covered by other great acts, including great guitarist Eric Clapton. This one is not too difficult, so shouldn't really give you any problems, even if you're just starting out. Quite straightforward chords. And we're also going to look at the wonderful little guitar bass riff that leads from the verse into the chorus as well. But let's get straight on and have a look at this one. For this one you're going to need following chords, and the screenshots, like in my videos, the screenshots will always come up, so you may need to pause them and get to know the chords if you're not already comfortable with them, and practice changing from the one chord to another. Also, the wonderful Bob Marley version would be using exactly what we're going to do, exactly the same chords, but with a capo on the 3rd fret. It would use a capo on the 3rd fret. Bob Marley also sometimes did some kick-in live versions with a capo on the 2nd fret, but basically the Bob Marley classic version, capo on the 3rd fret. We're going to play a nice straightforward one without any capo. Okay, so the chords you will need for the following song is just E minor. You'll need an A minor. You'll need a C. And you will need a B7. Okay, so just learn those chords, get comfortable with them, but without further ado, let's crack straight on and have a look at the tune. As I always do with these songs, I'm going to hum the tune in the background, and the chords for the verse and the chorus will come up on the screen, so you'll have to excuse the singing, but it'll kind of show you how the melody sits on the chords. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get straight on and try the chorus section first, and just some nice easy downstrokes on this one. So if you get ready with your E minor, okay, so here we go for the chorus to start us off, and we got and A minor, back to E minor, and again to A minor, back to E minor, to the verse, and C, a B7, E minor, and a C, a B7, E minor, and then C, a B7, E minor, and then a C, a B7, E minor, and I say. Okay, so let's get straight on and have a look at that lovely little bass and guitar riff that leads us into the chorus. Okay, we are going to do a nice easy version just using the bass E string for this one, and what I want you to do is just try the following fret positions to give us that riff. We've got 12, 10, 7, 5, 3, 7, 5, 3, open. Okay, that's all we need to do. I'm going to go over that a couple of times nice and slow. So we've got, again, bass E string, 12, 10, 7, 5, 3, 7, 5, 3, open. Try one more time. 12, 10, 7, 5, 3, 7, 5, 3, open. Okay, and last time, one more for luck. Okay, again, and 12, 10, 7, 5, 3, 7, 5, 3, open. Okay, so again, you might want to rewind that and try that a couple of times, but that's what leads us from the verse section into the chorus. Okay, so let's go and try the whole lot together now. Okay, so get ready with your E minor for the chorus section, and okay, there we go. Here we go, and da 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 to A minor, do 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 do, back to E minor, again. E minor, do do, and A minor, do 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 do, back to E minor, to the verse, and C and B7, E minor, and then a C and B7, E minor, again C and B7, E minor, and then a C and B7, E minor, one more time. And C and B7, E minor, to the riff, and 12, 10, 7, 5, 3, 7, 5, 3, open, to the chorus. E minor, na, na, A minor, doobie doobie, back to E minor. Ooh, 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 again. And E minor, doo doo, and A minor, doo doo, back to E minor. Ooh, ooh, right to the verse, and then C and B7, E minor, again. And C and B7, E minor, and C and B7, E minor, and then a C and B7, E minor, and a C and B7, E minor to the riff and go 12, 10, 7, 5, 3, 7, 5, 3, open to the chorus. E minor, doo doo, A minor, doobie doobie, back to E minor. Ooh, 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 again. E minor, doo doo, and A minor, doobie doobie, back to E minor. Ooh, 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 and finish off there. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Take your time with that one, and maybe give a little bit of time if you really are starting out. The bass and the guitar riff might take a little bit of getting used to. It's a great one. Really shouldn't give you too many problems. Give it a try. Get your Bob Marley vocals brushed up. I'm sure you'll do it a lot better than me. All the best, and as ever, please like and subscribe if you enjoy the lesson, and see you again soon, hopefully for more simple, easy guitar lessons with Ben Golden Guitar. All the best, and thanks again.